Not today we're going to teach you how to surf. Okay, let's do that one again.
Greetings from Iguana Surf Tamarindo. Have you ever wanted to learn how to surf? Well, you're in luck because in this 7-pack series, we're about to bring to you lessons that will teach you the essentials to surf during your trip down to Costa Rica. Be sure to tune in, like, and subscribe to follow along with each series as we provide you with insights to help you learn the tips and tricks of surfing in our local Tamarindo waters, and that way you'll want to come back every year for more.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Waz from Iguana in Tamarindo, Costa Rica. I'm here with my main man, FIFA the Tico, and we're going to put together a series that's going to teach you how to surf.
Right on.
Have a look at the exercises that FIFO is demonstrating. You can start at the top of your body and work your way down. Before heading out into the water, it is important to stretch and warm up in order to prevent injury. You can also use these exercises prior to arriving at your surf camp in order to increase in flexibility in preparation for your surfing. Rotating your arms forwards and backwards is a great way to open up your shoulders. Remember to warm up your neck as well. A deep squat is very good for opening up your hips. This will aid you in your pop-up. Lunging forward and arching your back backwards is a great way to stretch and open up the glutes as well as the lats. There is no rule on the sequence in the warm-up. The only important thing to note is that you want your entire body to be warm, and it would help you to focus on the main muscle groups that will be used during your surfing. These main muscle groups are your shoulders, your back, your hips, and your glutes. Don't forget the small stuff. Warm up your ankles as well.
We hope you learned something. Keep going, stretch up, loosen up. Like and subscribe for more tips and tricks, and book a stay with Iguana.
We hope you found this information useful. Please join us for the next video in the series where we will be covering surf etiquette, priority, and safety in the water.